YouTube family, I want to show y'all something. This is not a sponsored video. I got a pole saw in the mail. It took about 3 months. I got my electronic cords right there, my oil and my trash bags. This is electronic. You see that? It's a pole chainsaw. It has multi-angles to it. Yep. Let's see. 10 inches wide, pole chainsaw. It's supposed to reach up to at least 10 feet with multi-angles. I got my power cords, 50-foot inch, 50-foot each. I got my chainsaw oil and my trash bags. Let me show y'all what I need this for. Let's go around the back. Hold on. Oh. Let me show y'all what I'm going to try to do. You see this tree right here? December the 11th, we had a windstorm and this tree broke off from that tree right there and landed in my pecan tree. So I have just made up my mind to just try and bring it all down. And then I'm going to cut those bushes over there on the fence. So that's why I need that pole chainsaw. It looks pretty bad, don't it, guys? But I'm going to do my best. All right. Let's go back to the pole chainsaw. Look at the puppy in their backyard. They don't have that kind of dog. That's their business, though, ain't it? Let's see. Ooh. Okay, when the box came, it was already like that, halfway open. Let's see if everything's in here. You know how I'm supposed to try to cut this. Oh Lord, I hope I don't stab myself. Let's see, guys. I'm trying to get it out with one hand. Oh, it's not coming out though. Let's see. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. Can y'all see that? This is what it looks like. This is the pole, the part of the saw. All right, guys. I'm going to try to put this thing together. Y'all stay healthy, stay blessed, and wish me luck, because I'm just a little nervous. I ain't never done this before, but I'm willing to give anything a try. All right, guys. I love y'all. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'm out.